I recommend MRF ZLX for sheer comfort and long life. MRF ZLX, you can bet on it.
Easy ride. Easy ride. Easy ride.
How was your ride?
It was an easy ride.
MRF Milo Grip Easy Ride.
गाइस कल मेरी नई बाइक आ रही है।
ग्रेट, तब तो आई विल कम विद रोहन एवरी डे।
इंश्योरेंस है?
तुझे क्या लगता है इंश्योरेंस पीयूसी सब कुछ है?
I was talking about life insurance for Sia.
जोक्स अपार्ट गाइस, बट आज मजा कल सजा नहीं होनी चाहिए।
सीरियसली, लाइफ इंश्योरेंस तो जरूरी है।
LIC का न्यू जीवन आनंद देता है डबल फायदा। मैच्योरिटी पे मिले फुल पेमेंट और लाइफ कवर चले जिंदगी भर।
ए हेलो, इंश्योरेंस है क्या?
एक बार आके देख लो, कहीं मैंने कोई गड़बड़ तो नहीं कर दी।
सिर्फ मेरा नाम क्यों?
अरे जिसने घर खरीदा है उसी का नाम होना चाहिए ना।
और फ्रेंड्स क्या कहेंगे?
कहेंगे कि काश अपनी बीवी भी ऐसी होती।
पिछले 100 सालों से ऐसी हर अच्छी शुरुआत का साथ दे रहे हैं हम, यूनियन बैंक ऑफ इंडिया।
On straight on, down the path of truth, showing confidence, character and strength, raising the bar, aiming higher, we are marching on, to lead and inspire. SSVM, dreaming big, molding minds, shaping lives. SSVM, looking up, growing strong, soaring high. Together we will stand. SSVM.
Teach me how to live, color my life with love, holding on to each other. We smile as we soar. SSVM World School, making winners of everyone. SSVM.
What's the power of a story? Is it just an account? Merely the retelling of something that took place? Or is it something much more? We'd know a thing or two about that. We've been telling stories for a long while now. There are stories of victory and stories of defeat. Stories of hard work and discipline. Stories that motivate and stories that inspire. And what a journey it's been. This is our story and yours. This is the story of sport itself. Along the way, we've grown from storytellers to people of action. With the ideal of making India a sporting nation. This is not just sports journalism. This is something beyond that. Welcome to a comeback story like no other. Recognizing and rewarding the best and brightest in the world of sport. And the people and institutions that scripted their stories. So then, what is the power of a story? It's the power to empower. The power to make it happen. Welcome to the Sports Star Aces Awards.
I would like to welcome all of you to this very special celebration from home edition of the Sportstar Aces Awards. A raging pandemic for a greater part of the past year forced us indoors, while valiant health workers fought on gamely to give humans a chance to fight back, for scientists to huddle and weave their magic wands to conjure a cure. Sports too huddled inside, with players waging a battle against opponents and their own frayed nerves. Far removed from the energizing spirit of packed stadiums, the foremost inspiration for their athletic pursuits. The cure is with us today, but normalcy as we knew during the last Sportstar Aces in January 2020 is still a while away. So instead of a usual packed ballroom with the heavy sprinkling of sporting stardust, we meet here today in this virtual world, which has become an integral part of our new normal. We at Sportstar are fortunate to have received the same love and support from our partners, many of who have stood with us for the past few years, and of course, the sporting heroes of our country. Quite a few of them have joined us in this celebration of Indian sport today. While sports made a comeback towards the middle of 2020, the unprecedented nature of the year saw many a sporting event cancelled or postponed, including the Olympics and of course the T20 World Cup. The shortened nature of the sporting calendar made it difficult to qualitatively judge the performance of our athletes. And so, in consultation with our esteemed jury, we have decided to celebrate the best of Indian sport for the decade 2011 to 2020. The past 10 years have seen many a memorable performance from our sporting stars, making the job of our jury doubly difficult as they look for consistency and impact to select sports stars giants of the decade. Our jury, chaired by the evergreen Mr. Sunil Gavaskar, who recently completed 50 years in international cricket, went through the performances of over 100 athletes to pick this year's winners. We welcome former India football captain and the darling of the Kolkata Maidan, Mr. Baichung Bhutia, as our newest jury member. I also thank gold medal winning former India hockey player Mr. M.M. Somaya, 7-time world champion Mr. Vishwanathan Anand, 9-time national badminton champion Miss Aparna Popat, and the trigger-happy Commonwealth shooting hero Miss Anjali Bhagwat for lending their time and bringing their experience as our long-standing jury members. This year's awards also have a few new categories in the moment of the decade and club of the decade. We have a galaxy of stars who have flown the Indian tricolour high, overcoming adversities to conquer the world. Actually, each nominee this year is a champion, and it took our judges a while to zero in on the winners.
So welcome everyone to the Sportstar Aces Awards 2021, where we honor the giants of the last decade.
Should we have a quick vote where all of you can say that which way we go, and then we can finally take a call?
Can we share?
If I have to be a tiebreaker vote, then I'll decide. But
so I don't know how we can pick a winner here, but good luck to the 6 of you. We can have the voting numbers first.
Give it to all of them, all 3 of them.
So I think, the experience of being on a jury and deciding awards virtually, of course, was, the first time that this actually happened. But what made it easier was, I think there was a lot of thought put into the shortlisting of the candidates. And I think that really helped. And of course, having such an eminent jury with so much knowledge behind them, I think just made the discussion so much richer.
It was a unique experience altogether this time to have meetings online with other esteemed members, and the whole process was so enjoyable.
Under the leadership of Mr. Sunil Gavaskar, the entire jury members could work together, and finally we all came together to select the right winner.
They were just tough awards to decide, because this time, as you know, it wasn't awards based on performance of a year or little more. We were looking at an entire decade.
this actually gave us a chance to relive that wonderful decade and not obsess about 2020 so much.
So one was the excellence at international level, and the second was consistency over the decade. So these were the two important factors that, for me, at least when I was on the jury.
You can do individually brilliantly, but how you help your team to win is the most important aspect.
And another important factor was the conduct of the sports people, both on and off the sporting arena.
Many times we thought of sharing that award in the respective categories, so you can think of the level of competition.
The thing is, the very fact that you look back on a decade allows you to, instead of focusing on an achievement, or only on an achievement, you're able to look at consistency, longevity, what people mean in a broader sense, because in many cases, the sports person in question might have been around for 4 or 5 years. So you get to see, not only what did they do in this place, but what has been their impact in the sport and so on.
It was tough, and it's a good problem to have. It's just because, the Indian sports scenario has changed so much, and we've had such brilliant performances in the last decade.
I think we were very fortunate on the jury that we had a lot of research done by the sports journalists of the Hindu publication and Sportstar. So a lot of data was made available to the jury, and that really put us on the right track.
I think the toughest part was really, I think each and every award, because being an athlete myself, we know the amount of hard work that goes into each and every performance and each and every day, of your career. So to pick one over the other is always hard.
The deciding bit is hard because, as I said, again, because it's a decade, this represents, if not a lifetime, then almost a career spanning period for many of these sports people. And you really wanted to give it to all of them. But like I said, wherever possible, we try to make a choice.
We had great successful years after Rio Olympics and till the pandemic, and athletes are still showing good consistency in their performances. So with great performances, good support, government and corporate, huge participation, great awareness in the society, I think this is our positive start towards the professional sport.
See, nowadays the bar has been raised by the sportsmen themselves, sportsmen and sportswomen. So I think we are fortunate that in almost all disciplines that were considered, we have now people who are part of the top 3 or 4 in the world.
I think my biggest takeaway is that India is moving to being a multi-sport nation. We've had performances at the highest level, by which I mean we've had world number ones, we've had world champions, we've won World Cups. And I think this has a special ring to it, because when you think of sport, you think of at the highest level, it is the World Championship, it is the Olympics, where we've got medals, also especially in badminton, which is my sport. But and also look at the potential that our para athletes are showing. So I think all in all, this is what I will take away from the last decade, and this is just growing phenomenally, and I can't wait to see what's in store in this decade.
The aspiration should be to excel at the international and the world level, especially in big tournaments like the World Cup and the Olympics. And that's my message. The bar has been raised by sports persons themselves, and the future generation would have to look at that as a benchmark while getting out into the sporting arena.
Really, you just want to see sports that you don't think India does very much, and you want to be surprised. And that's maybe the nicest feeling. And the more sports I'm going to be surprised in, the happier I'll be.
The Sportstar Awards were launched in 1994 with the vision to celebrate the stars, the future stars, and the tireless partners who have dedicated their lives to sports. To realize the dream of making India a sporting nation, the Sportstar Aces Awards aim to identify and reward the most deserving athletes, irrespective of the popularity of the sport they play. We reimagined and relaunched the awards in 2018 on the 40th anniversary of the magazine with newer categories, keeping in mind India's emergence as a multi-sport nation. Past winners of the Sportstar Aces Award include Sachin Tendulkar, All England champion P. Gopichand, Kapil Dev, Prakash Padukone, the current India captain Virat Kohli, Olympic medalist MC Mary Kom, Neeraj Chopra, world champion winner PV Sindhu, Hima Das and Leander Pace among others. This year's winner are sports stars, giants of the decade.
Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. I'm delighted to be here to celebrate excellence in sports.
Fantastic. I've seen most of you guys only on the Sportstar posters. Well, I'm when I'm on here, and it's really a great honor.
An absolute fanboy moment. Absolute fan.
Sportstar for me used to be the posters.
Yeah.
And I used to buy it every month and look forward to getting those posters. MS's poster is here now, which I'm going to take home and hand it over to him. But yeah, getting this award now from Sportstar and being on the cover is like a childhood memory all revived. But the only difference is I'm on the cover now. And
I'd like to thank the Sportstar for this wonderful award. It's the most polite way someone has told me that I've grown old.
When I joined the world of athletics at the age of 40, sports not only empowered me, it erased the wheelchair and the disability in the eyes of the community.
Passion to win a game will make you a winner. But passion for the game will make you an icon. Similarly in politics, passion for power will make you win elections. Passions to serve will make you win people.
There was a time when even 10-15 years back, when the draws for the championships were out, everybody would see whether they're playing the Indonesians first or the Chinese first, and they would get scared. But now the time has come when the Chinese and the Indonesians, whenever the draw comes out, they see they are playing the Indians first.
The question is, who's better in between the two of you?
Tennis or football?
Football is tennis. I have an example right here.
I would definitely not want to play tennis with him, but I think we had played football in the past, and I definitely am the better player.
So you agree with that?
100%. But even more than that, I would not want to take out this southpaw in tennis either. I tell you, I'm looking for a partner for Wimbledon, and I'm probably going to ask him as soon as we get off stage.
Let's talk about what you like to do off the pitch. What do you like to do?
I like to sleep.
मैंने कभी स्पीच दिया नहीं, मुझे इतना कुछ बोलना भी नहीं आता, तो बस मैं सभी का थैंक यू करना चाहती हूँ और मुझे यहाँ पे आके बहुत अच्छा लगा.
I have lots and lots of Sportstar magazines in the big bin, what my wife and my friends have kept the cutting, and I have it with me. It's lovely to see. I don't like to see too many photographs and remember that what we did in our time. It's just, yes, whenever we see the magazine, the smile come on the face.
Thank you to Bengu and to Sportstar for that kind of promotion of their sport and the promotion of the people.
Right from the time I won my first world title in 2003, up until today, I feel that Sportstar has covered my journey really well, and I'm sure that it has given due recognition to all outstanding sporting achievers and achievements over the years, and an award ceremony like this is proof of that.
Coming up next in the Sportstar Aces Awards 2021, Giants of the Decade.
Sportstar Aces Awards 2021, that's including me, are traveling to Bhubaneswar to honor the government of Odisha for their contribution in promoting sport. So stay tuned for that and much more in the next episodes.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the first ever virtual presentation of the Hindu Group Sportstar Aces Awards.
The nation has chosen its favorite sporting heroes from the decade gone by, and the big reveal will be made during the virtual ceremony of the Sportstar Aces Awards. Watch the awards live from April 1st to 4th from 5 p.m. onwards. To register for the Sportstar Aces Awards Decade Special, powered by MRF, give a missed call to 044 3502 1555 or visit www.sportstar.thehindu.com.